Hello guys, this is a perfectly fine luggage, but as you can see, it doesn't move very smoothly. So let me show you how to fix this luggage. First, you get yourself a replacement wheel from Shopee, but before that, make sure you dismantle your wheels and check the distance between this and this to ensure compatibility. So how do you dismantle your wheels? Let me show you how to do it. The tools needed to open the wheels is this Phillips screwdriver. For my luggage, it depends on what kind of luggage you use. In my case, I use this Phillips screwdriver. So every luggage have this thing so-called the maintenance zip. We open the maintenance zip, take your screwdriver and unscrew all the screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 screw, 1 wheels. Now for the second one, here's the second wheel. Now for the other compartment, ding. Now for the second one, bang. Alright guys, after you have removed all the old wheels, it's time to replace it with the new one. Before you do anything, first deattach your wheels, measure the holes and the design thickness to ensure compatibility. Old one, new one, same layout. Alright guys, there is left and right differences between these wheels. So how do you determine which one is for the left, which one is for the right? By doing this. As you can see, this wheel fits perfectly for the left, for both sides. Fits perfectly, but this wheel does not fit on the right side, as you can see. And then you flip to the other side, does not fit for the right one. So that means this wheel is for the left. As for the screw placement, there's 3 holes over here, but don't worry, just pick either one of them. And these 2, just pick either one of the holes, either one of the holes here. So total 4 screw, 1 screw here, 1 screw here, 1 screw here. I would highly recommend you guys to use torchlight to install the screw, because you want to make sure that you're screwing in to a hole. Otherwise, you might miss the hole and destroy the frame. As you can see, the screws are on, the wheels are good. Now do the same thing for the rest of the wheels. Alright, zip this, put it back. And check this out guys, it's as good as new. You don't need to spend extra money to buy a brand new luggage. Just because you're having bad wheels, you can always get a replacement part for a very cheap price. And yeah. Alright guys, that's all I want to show for this video. If you find this video helpful, leave a like. And if you want to say hi to me, do leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.